Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you how good a pre-built could look if you put in a little time and a little money. And so this is the Lenovo T7i. We've been looking at it on the channel, been doing upgrades for it. And so I'm just gonna, show it off a little bit. Listen, we've got Corsair SP120 RGB Elite fans all the way around. So there's a total of 6 of them. It's pretty silent. We've got the Corsair H100i Capellix water cooler. I went ahead and upgraded the motherboard in it as well, and that is with the MSI Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. That's a Z490 board. So I just wanted to show y'all how good it could look. And it looks pretty good, I think. It's a good platform to go with as far as upgrading goes. Check out the vids on the channel.